There are a couple of very major mistakes in the business planning realm. Of course, the biggest one is not planning at all. The famous quote goes like, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. It's a very common quote. At the same time, people make the exact opposite mistakes. They overplan, and the planning becomes a source of procrastination. They never start. And the middle ground is where you need to be, but the middle ground is the hardest thing to find. I mean, what's the right amount of planning for different situations? You've got to feel it out. Every person and every business is obviously different. Most people don't question whether they're going to be able to do it. They get excited. People see the business as their dream, and people believe in themselves. I've never heard anyone say, I'm not going to do the work. Instead, people say, I'm really excited. Trust me, I'll do the work. I'll work so hard. But don't trust yourself. Test yourself. That's what I've learned from coaching over 1,000 entrepreneurs. Everyone says they'll do the work. Very few people actually do enough of the work, and the work is not typically the quality needed at first. So it's a consistency thing also. So test yourself early. Start doing something early and often. It doesn't have to be the actual starting of your business, but you've got to get in the habit of work, and you can keep a to-do list. Some items on it could be something simple like research this, email so-and-so, sign up for this website, follow some influencer, start networking, go to a networking event, look into fundraising, anything like that. Research people who can make websites, logos. But as long as you keep that to-do list moving along and get every day things are crossed off and new things are put on it, that is good, because you need to make doing a habit, and that will help you in the transition of implementing the business whenever something comes up that you have to do, and you're not going to be sitting and waiting. Because sitting and waiting, it's the most frustrating thing for me as a business coach, because I want people to hit the ground running and to work and succeed and improve and grow. Sometimes I get more excited than the people, and the people just get in that mindset of planning and waiting, not feeling the urgency. And my preference will be that entrepreneurs do feel that urgency. And a great reference for entrepreneurs is Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. You know, the one that goes da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. That's the metaphor of your life knocking on the door. Don't wait too long. Don't overplan. Start doing. Da-da-da-dum. Start doing. Earlier rather than later. Do something. Entrepreneurship is all about doing. Over planning is not entrepreneurship. You're making a mistake. Planning is good. Over planning is bad. Mitigate that by doing.